and welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments of the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. Let's start with the national news first. So Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, he has introduced a scheme which is called Rajiv Gandhi Civils Abhyastam Scheme. Here Telangana students who qualify the UPSC prelims examination, they will be given an aid up to the tune of rupees 1 lakh. Moving on. The Indian Institute of Spices Research has been given and honoured with the Top Technology Award for its contribution to horticulture sciences. This award has been given by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research for development of technology for instant soluble turmeric spiced milk. Next, let's talk about the Prime Minister Swanidhi scheme. So the state of Madhya Pradesh has been awarded as the top performing state under this particular scheme, which was launched during the COVID times. Under the scheme, urban street vendors are given collateral-free loans to the tune of rupees 50,000. Apart from Madhya Pradesh, Assam was ranked at the second position in Best Performing States, Innovation and Best Practices Award by the Union Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry. Now the Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, he has unveiled 4 books, and these are Wings to Our Hopes Volume 1, this is both in English and Hindi, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Heritage Meets the Present and Kahani Rashtrapati Bhavan ki. Now next is an update with respect to UPSC. Pooja Khedkar. I'm sure आप सब ने अब तक इनका नाम जरूर सुना होगा. She is a probationary IAS officer who is in news for all the wrong reasons. Be it, the allegation around misusing her authority or forging her certificates to get into the services in the first place. So now amidst this controversy, UPSC chairperson Manoj Soni has resigned citing personal reasons. Next is an update from Assam. So Assam Cabinet has given its approval to a bill that seeks to amend or rather abolish the Assam Muslim Marriages and Divorce Registration Act and Rules of 1935, which allows child marriage or underage marriage under certain circumstances. Now let's talk about the international news developments for the day. So the top court for Bangladesh, the Supreme Court there, has scrapped most job reservations amidst protest by students. Now lastly, we have an update about an important day, and the day concerned is the International Chess Day, which is celebrated on 20th of July. It is celebrated to mark the establishment of FIDE in 1924. FIDE is the International Chess Federation. In 1966, UNESCO decided to celebrate this day as the International Chess Day. So that's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.